Hello friends, welcome to my channel Nidhi Basin Mathematics Classes. Today I have come up with new category of numbers called integers. So let's get started. My today's topic is integers. Till now we have done natural numbers which are starting from 1 and goes to infinity. 1, 2, 3, 4. These all are positive numbers. They don't carry positive sign in front of them, but they all are, we can read them as plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. This is hidden sign which is not written with the positive number. If we come to whole numbers are those numbers in which we include natural numbers and 0. Understood? Whole number starts from 0 and we include all the positive numbers and they go up to infinity. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You know that maths counting doesn't end. It goes to infinity. So these signs are showing that it is going up to infinity. Negative numbers, which I am introducing today, is a new category of numbers. They are opposite of these numbers only. Understood? 1, 2, 3, 4 are our positive numbers and minus 1 is opposite of 1. Minus 2 is opposite of 2. Minus 3 is opposite of 3. Minus 4 is opposite of 4. Suppose I have two playgrounds. Understood? These are positive. These are negative. So the playground is named as positive world and this playground is named as negative world. In this, all positive numbers are there and in this all negative numbers are there, and the negative world is opposite of positive world. Whatever if they are having in positive, in negative we are having opposite of it. Understood? Now what are integers and why they are special and why they are different from these numbers? The new collection of numbers, when we put the whole numbers, what are the whole numbers? These are the whole numbers and negative numbers together, and the new collection of numbers look like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are whole numbers and I have put in this collection minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So these two worlds have come together and they have made a new world called integers. I am explaining once again. Till now we have done natural numbers which starts from 1 and goes up to infinity. They have a hidden sign in front of them, that is plus sign. You can see I have written. Then we have come to whole numbers in which we include 0 also with natural numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and it goes up to infinity. Now in negative numbers I am taking minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. These negative numbers are opposite of 1, 2, 3, 4. Understood? Now integers, the new collection of numbers when we put whole numbers. Now one more thing, here I had put positive and negative. These two words plus the world of 0 will make a world of integers. Understood? These positive numbers, these negative numbers and 0. They whole will make one new collection called integers, which is denoted by capital Z in mathematics. Now I am taking world of natural numbers. This is a world of 0. This is a world of whole numbers. This is a world of negative numbers. This is a world of integers. Understood? Now I have made one new world out of them. This one is integers. You can see this is the same figure as I have shown in integers. This figure of integers has whole numbers as a rectangle. Understood? it has a triangle which is negative numbers. Whole numbers we have, and this negative numbers we have. Understood? After that, this world is known as zero world, which is also there. Now this natural numbers are also there in whole numbers. See, the whole number has 0 and natural numbers. Understood? This rectangle is a whole number which has 0 also and a natural number also. And they all are part of these integers which have whole numbers plus negative numbers. So this family or this word represent integers, which is a collection of whole numbers and negative numbers put together, and they form a new collection called integers. Now I am discussing representation of integers on a number line. We are familiar with the number line. This is called number line. Here in the middle I have 0. And towards the right of it, I have all the numbers which are positive, which are from the positive word and known as positive integer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These all are positive integers towards the right of 0. And towards the left of 0, we have all the opposites of these numbers. Here it is 1, its opposite is, it is near to 1. It is near to 0, so minus 1 is also near to 0. Then I have 2, opposite of it is minus 2. Then I have 3, opposite of it is minus 3. I have 4, opposite of it is minus 4. 5, minus 5. 6, minus 6. So these are negative integers in combination with whole numbers. 0 plus positive numbers, they become integers. So this is the representation of integers on a number line. If I have been asked to mark a number 2, that means plus 2. Whenever we have been given number 2, we have to understand ourselves that it is plus 2. Understood? So where it is? We know that it will be towards the right of 0. So this is my number 2. Understood? If I have been told to mark minus 6, where I should go? Where I will move? I know that towards the 0, I will get the positive number, and when I move towards left, I will get negative numbers. So since I have been given minus 6, I will see towards the left of 0 and I will get minus 6 here. So this way you can mark positive integer and negative integer on a number line. Now points marked to the right of 0 are positive integers, and points marked to the left of 0 are marked negative integers. So this is the difference between a positive and negative. Positive are on this side of the 0 and negative are on this side of the 0. Now this representation of integers I have just explained to you. This is my integer family which has whole number family. This rectangle is showing me whole number family, which includes 0 and negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. 0 and positive numbers, understood? And negative numbers. These are negative numbers, so this whole represent integers. As I will move from left side to right side, understood? Numbers are increasing. How? If I am moving from 1 to 2, understood? Number 2 is more than 1. If I move 2 to 3, 3 is more than 2. If I move to 4, 4 is more than 3. If I move to 5, 5 is more than 6. 5 is more than 4. And if I move to 6, 6 is more than 5. And what about the negative numbers now? We know positive numbers are bigger than negative numbers. Understood? So these are written on the left and positive are written on the right. Now 0 is bigger than minus 1. Understood? So that's why 0 is on the right of minus 1. Understood? 1 is bigger than minus 2, because 1, we know that 2 is greater than 1. Understood? But when I will take negative number, this will be opposite of positive number. Understood? So since in positive numbers 2 is greater than 1, so in negative numbers minus 1 will be greater than minus 2. So this way minus 3 is greater than minus 4. Minus 2 is greater than minus 3. Minus 4 is greater than minus 5. So among all the numbers which I have drawn, minus 6 is the smallest. Understood? And as I am moving towards right, numbers are increasing. And since we know that this word is opposite of positive word, so as I will move towards this side, towards the left side, towards the negative family, numbers will start decreasing. 6 is the biggest and minus 6 is the smallest. 6 is greatest. Why? Because 5 is smaller than 6. 4 is smaller than 5. 3 is smaller than 4. 2 is smaller than 3. 1 is smaller than 2. So this way, negative numbers are also in the same way. When you are taking any negative number, the number to its right side will be greater and number towards its left side will be smaller. Any number you can pick. 2 I am picking. Understood? Number towards its right is 3, which is greater than 2, and number on the left is 1, which is less than 2. Understood? The same way I am taking minus 3 here. Minus 3 I have taken. On the right I have minus 2. On the left I have minus 4. Now minus 2 is greater than minus 3. It is on its right side and it is greater than minus 3. Minus 4 is less than minus 3 because it is on the left. Minus 4 is on the left side of minus 3. So this way we have learned there are two types of words included in integers: whole number plus negative numbers. Two things. We have positive integers on the right side of 0, negative integers on the left side of 0. And as I will move from left to right, numbers are increasing. But if I am looking at the left side of the number is decreasing. That means if you will look at any number and towards its left side we have smaller number and towards its right side we have bigger number. Thank you for your support. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Those who haven't subscribed, they need to subscribe this channel. Others can like, share and comment on my videos. Keep learning, keep sharing.